Have you ever tried to measure an already made cap from outside? So if you have tried it, what did you notice? Did you also notice that the size has been increased? Yes, it will definitely increase. And at the same time, if you try to measure it from inside, you will discover that there is also an reduction in the measurements. So what is the problem? What is actually causing the fluctuation in the measurements? Why are you not getting the actual measurements you measure at the beginning? So here is the secret. So that is what I will be teaching you in this video. So make sure you watch to the end so that you will get the secrets I'm about to reveal. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and then don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will always get them notified. If you are returning, please don't forget to like and share so that everyone will benefit too. Thank you and stay tuned.
So see, the first thing you are going to do when you have your cap like this, when you are done, or probably you make a cap and then you want to know if you have actually make the correct one, the correct size. Here is how to do that. So from this joining part, from this joining point, you try to measure. You start your measurement from there. You place your tape there, and then you do it gently. So you make sure you measure it right. So take your time to do it. So this is what I have. I have 22. I have 22. That is what I have. 22. So the next thing you are going to do is just to measure the inside. So let's document it. So I have 22. inches. So now let's measure the inner parts of the cap. So you take your time to do that. So you have to do it gently and take your time to do it. So if you look at this one now, what I have here, this is the joining point. So if you look at it, I have 21. I have 21. So you document it 21. So you are going to sum the two together. 22 plus 21. What you are going to have, you are going to have 3. You have 4. That is going to be 43. Don't forget you have outer parts is 22. You have inner parts. Inner measurement is 21. So when you sum the thing together now, you have a total of 43. So you are going to divide. You are going to add the outer part and inner part together and divide it by 2, because you two things gave you this. So when you had the two together, you are going to have 43. 43 divided by 2. So you are going to have 1.5. So you are going to have 21.5 inches. So it means that the actual size of this cap is 21.5. So that is how to determine the actual size of your cap, of an already made cap like this. So if you have made the cap, and then you can quickly practicalize this. So I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Please kindly try it out with your cap or with any of your customers' cap, and let's see how it goes. So if you are able to get the same thing as mine, so please kindly drop your comments in the comment section. Let's see how it goes. Thank you so much. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to like and share if you are a returning. But if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and then put on the notification bell, so that each time I upload a new video, you will always get notified. Thank you so much, and stay blessed.